Hello, Shakil once again. Yesterday we got introductory video. What about testing and what is testing? And for testing, we need two tools, and one is React testing library, another one is Jest, and both are needed. Okay, so we'll dive into the deep with the both tutorial from the official documentation and explore every detail. Okay, don't worry. So to get the testing, to have the confidence to make your app error free, you need to have rigorous testing, and first of all you need to have app up and running. Okay, so go for npx create, no typos should be allowed, create react app, npx create react app, say name it udemy rest, sorry, jest rtl. Okay, excuse me. So it will take little bit of time, so by this time we go into the Jest and RTL, React testing library. Excuse me. And React testing, like we will explore React testing library first, and then we'll come to Jest. In React testing library, first of all, you need to understand the queries. So what is queries? Queries is means to get the DOM from your app. It will receive the DOM and test it by assertion and several methods. So DOM has some priority. So what are the queries we have? Get by, query by. I will give you every detail and every example as far as possible, and by the end of this tutorial you will get a complete full app tested by, full-blown tested by Jest and React testing library. So you will get all the queries, you will get the uses of all the queries in that app. So don't worry, along with that I will show you, I will try my level best to show you every detail. Okay, so you need not worry. So this is the queries. I am showing you first our test and examples upon completion of this app. And another thing I need to mention is that I am creating here npx create react app. You may be surprised why I am creating npx, which is old fashioned right now. Everyone is, for React, everyone is using byte react app. So why I am not using byte is because for testing, npx create react app gives some built-in features. You need not install additionally anything. It will give user-friendly advantages from your initial trigger. But if you want to use it byte react, you need to have some specific configuration for testing. So it's a different scope. I will try my level best to show you how to configure your byte react app for testing. But for now I am creating react, okay, npx create react app. So I am showing you a little bit later why I am using. Okay, our test is running. Let's say navigate to udemy and go to the code. So there you go. Here is the answer. So why I am using npx create react app. So it is giving you by default app testing JS. Okay, and along with that, in package JSON it will give some necessary features, tools installed by default. It ships with, it land with your default create react app. Okay, so if you use it bit react app, you have to download it individually and additionally it needs some extra configuration, so it will give some advantages. So let our app running. We need two terminal up and running, on for testing and on for running the react app. npm start. So first of all you have to make sure that your app is running, otherwise test will not work, you will get errors. So let's see what the default test is popping up, what the result it is giving us, whether it will pass or not. Let's see. npm run test. Okay, as our app on running, it will give the, It's taking time. Let's see. What is found? Why? We are pressing A once again. Let's see. Yeah, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You got your first test passed, but credit is not on me because this is by default. But I will dive into the deep. So what is happening over here? You see only one component we have, root component. This is app, and excuse me. And by default, app is testing. So this is the test. There is the test shoot over here. What is test shoot? I will show you later. And test render learn React app, and you have to render the app first. App is importing from here, and get test by ID. This is the query. You see, I show you some minutes ago. This is the query. So what's the query they are using? Get by text. Get by text. Get by text. Where is get by text? Get by role, get by level text. This is get by text. Okay, so this segment is your priority. So when we discuss about priority, we'll come in bit detail. So get by text. So we are receiving this test. We are receiving this line. You see, get by text, learn React. Okay, we are receiving this portion by this get by text. Okay, learn React. If you say React app, it will be, you have to write it React app, or let's see what will happen as I have changed. The test will fail. You see, the test will fail is because it's not getting React app. So you have to have mess with what you are saying, but lowercase uppercase will not matter because we are using here regex I. Okay, case sensitive, so no problem. This time I think test will pass. npm run test. Yeah, test is passed. So to retrieve this portion, you have to use get by text, and this is the assertion. So what is the assertion and what is query? I will dive into the deep, so no worries. And I will discuss the test coverage and everything, and in the next video I'll discuss test coverage and priorities. So what is priority, and along with that, it will be a test driven development, and they by default they're giving on test, but on this by default app component I will go for another 3 or 4 testing. So to give you a good understanding what is happening over here, what is testing, and how can you make your app tested, full-blown tested, to give it a full-blown confidence. Okay, so no more today. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay connected, stay tuned to get a full-blown portfolio app tested by Jest and React testing library. See you soon. Thank you very much.